Are you seeing the disk red error message when you are opening your computer? Well, in that case, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions ready for you to solve this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Restart your computer. The quickest fix to this issue is to restart your computer once again. So shut down the system, let it cool down for some time, and then reboot it once again. If this issue is resolved, then check for the overheating issues and resolve them as soon as possible. Method 2. Fix the boot sequence. If a simple restart didn't work, then fixing the boot sequence can be a solution. Enter the BIOS using the relevant key. Now this key will be different for each computer, so check for yours. Find the boot or boot sequence option. After that, make sure that the hard drive is at the top of this list. Apply all the changes, save them, and then restart the computer. It will resolve this issue. Method 3. Repair MBR. You can fix this error by repairing the master boot record. Once you have the Windows installation media in a separate disk or pen drive, insert it in your computer and restart it. Enter the boot menu using the relevant key. Now choose the installation media for your OS. Then press any key to continue. After that, click on Next and then select Repair your computer. Now click on Troubleshoot and go to the command prompt. Then enter the following commands one by one and press Enter. bootrec /fix MBR, bootrec /fix boot, bootrec /scan OS, bootrec /rebuild BCD. Now exit the command prompt and restart the computer. It will resolve the issue. So, these are some of the handy and unexpected ways to speed up your computer and optimize its performance. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and tell us if the solutions worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.